Good morning this Monday, the 24th of March. I'm Grady Wolf, market analyst with Bell Direct. Wall Street closed a turbulent week higher on Friday as Trump once again signalled there would be some flexibility with tariffs. However, he did maintain that the tariffs implemented at the April 2 deadline will be reciprocal, saying all countries that currently have tariffs on the US will be taxed. The Nasdaq rose 0.2%, the Dow Jones added just 0.08%, and the S&P 500 ended the day up 0.08%. Companies in the US are increasingly confused over the tariff implications and as a result are really uncertain about spending, hiring and forecasting until there's more clarity around tariff implications, which is naturally hurting markets around the world and in the US right now. In Europe on Friday, markets in the region closed lower, led by travel stocks tumbling amid London's Heathrow airport closing due to a fire on Friday. The STOXX 600, French CAC and UK's FTSE 100 ended the day down 0.6% each, while Germany's DAX ended the day down 0.5%. Across Asia markets on Friday, stocks mostly fell in the region due to ongoing uncertainty around the US economy and tariff implications. Hong Kong's Hang Seng fell 2.19%, China's CSI index fell 1.52%, South Korea's Kospi index ended the day up 0.23%, and Japan's Nikkei ended the day down 0.2%. Locally on Friday, the ASX 200 rose 0.17% despite Wall Street's turbulence on Thursday, as market heavyweights locally propelled the key index to a positive finish. For the week, the ASX 200 rose 1.83%. Australian supermarket giants posted strong gains on Friday after the ACCC released its 441-page findings into its price gouging investigation. Investors welcomed the findings, though, outlining minimal evidence was found of price gouging at all, and no disciplinary action would be taken against the two key providers in Coles and Woolies. Commodity prices took a hit late in the week last week, which weighed on local materials sector as China's property market remains depreciated and Trump's tariffs continue hurting demand for critical metals like copper. On the commodities front this morning, oil was trading 0.31% higher at $68.28 a barrel. Gold is down 0.75% at $3,023.65 an ounce, and iron ore is down 0.15% at $102 a tonne. The Australian dollar has slightly weakened against the greenback to buy 62.73 US cents, 93.69 Japanese yen, 48.55 British pence, and 1 New Zealand dollar and 9 cents. Ahead of Monday's trading session here in Australia, the SPI futures are anticipating the ASX will open the new trading week down 0.51%. And now let's dive into some trading ideas for your consideration today. Bell Potter has initiated coverage of Costco with a buy rating and a 12-month price target of $3.40 on the payments and regulated data service provider. Bell Potter's analyst sees compound gross revenue growth of 17.7% per annum, driven primarily by growth in transaction revenue across all core competencies and client wins. The company has also demonstrated a track record of innovation, investment and timing, with the launch of milestone connectivity for all mobile payments and acquiring Basic in 2024 to expand its market presence and offering. And Trading Central has identified a bullish signal on Regis Healthcare following the formation of a pattern over a period of 109 days, which is roughly the same amount of time the share price may rise from the close of $6.72 to the range of $7.50 to $7.70, according to Standard Principles of Technical Analysis. And that's all for this Monday morning. I hope you have a wonderful day, a wonderful week, and happy investing.